Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2023 Ipsy Glambag X unboxing. I think that's what's in this huge brown box. And I also got my BOXYCHARM base box for the month. So I'm going to be doing a 2-in-1 unboxing, but wow, I was not expecting this giant box to be my Ipsy Glambag X for the month. And these were not sent to me in PR. I pay for all of my Ipsy and BOXYCHARM subscriptions. And I did already get my Ipsy Glambag for the month and my BOXYCHARM premium box. And those unboxings are already up here on my YouTube channel. But I'm excited that I just got the rest of my Ipsy and BOXYCHARM boxes for the month. So I'm going to start with the BOXYCHARM base box right here. And this is a monthly beauty subscription. All full-size products in this box here. And this BOXYCHARM base box is the least expensive tier of BOXYCHARM. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box this month. All right. Let's see if I actually got product information. No, it's the same card that I got in the BOXYCHARM premium box that says that there's big news coming. And I'm very interested to hear what that's going to be. And okay, on top here, I've got some sponges from the brand YC Collection Marble Sponge Duo. So I actually need a new sponge at this point. I've had my current sponge for a while, so it's about time that I change out my sponge. So I'm happy to get this. Not the most exciting product to get, but I use a makeup sponge every day and I'm picky, so I'm excited to put these to the test. I'm planning to do a full face try on review type of video with all of my BOXYCHARM products, and then probably the same thing with my Ipsy products. Now that I've stopped my trying a new makeup product every day series, I'm trying to find new ways to try out my products because I'm so excited to review them, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing for that, but those are my ideas for now. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, Spongelli Apple Blossom Multi-Use Exfoliate Cleanse Massage Nourish. These Spongelli, like body wash infused sponges, is something that years ago I was getting in all of my subscriptions. I used to get FabFitFun. I would get this Spongel in that a lot. And they are great. They're very long lasting, have wonderful scents, and I could use a new sponge in my shower, so I'm actually going to start using this right away. Ooh, that's exciting. It smells really nice. Very floral, pretty packaging. I definitely prefer to get makeup products, but if I'm going to be getting some sort of tools, some skincare, the products that I pulled out so far are actually products that I'm pretty excited to use and actually need. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next product that I have here. So funny that I had already mentioned FabFitFun, which is something that I probably haven't said out loud in years. I haven't gotten FabFitFun in years, but when I did get FabFitFun in the past, I got this product. This is from the brand Beauty Bakery, which I have not tried out many products from this brand, but I have already tried out this one here, and I'm excited to see the brand Beauty Bakery in BOXYCHARM. But so this is the Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. And so I do have a full dedicated review tutorial video on this palette already that I'll have linked in the description down below. But this is a really pretty neutral palette. It does lean a little bit more warm tone than my preference, so the shades that start to look very orange on me, but it's a really cute palette. And it's a really cute brand in general. It's all bakery food themed type products, and the ones that I have tried I've really enjoyed. Okay, next, ooh, Rare Beauty. I have not tried out many Rare Beauty products either, but I'm so excited to get Rare Beauty and excited to try more. This is Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. Okay. I love eyeshadow palettes, but I have already tried this one out, so it's not as exciting to me. But this, I also love trying out foundations, and this is super exciting to me. I hope that I chose a good shade for me. It looks pretty good, but I'm so fair right now that this might be a little bit darker than what I need, but I'm so excited to try this out. Oh my goodness. And then my fifth and final product in here, ooh, is from Iconic London. I love the brand Iconic London. This is Triple Threat Mascara. Okay, so this product, I was hesitating because it seems so familiar. I have tried this out before and I got it in BOXYCHARM. I think this is my first ever like straight up repeat product that I've ever gotten from BOXYCHARM. So I am going to reach out to them about this, and I wasn't too impressed by the Triple Threat Mascara from Iconic London. I've tried other Iconic London mascaras that I think I like more. But so I do have the full dedicated review video on this already as well that I'll have linked down below. So that's a bummer that I got a repeat product and a product that I'm not like super excited to have again. But the rest of the box is pretty good. Like overall, it's a good box. It's just the repeat products have me less excited. So I'll do a quick recap and then we're going to move on to Ipsy. So product I'm most excited about, the Rare Beauty Foundation. And then I also got the Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette, and then the YC Collection Marble Sponge Duo. Oh, I'll try these out with that foundation, and the Spun Gel Multi-Use Body Wash Infused Buffer. So if you've tried any of these products, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Let me know what you got in your February 2023 BOXYCHARM base box. But now let's move on to Ipsy. Oh my goodness. You know what? I think that it's in this giant box because I also have points products in here as well. I'm going to start with the products that are in the box here, and there are so many. Like, what is this big, beautiful satin bag? Oh, okay, this is so cute. Yes, I think the products all in here are products I redeemed my Ipsy points for, and you get points whenever someone signs up for Ipsy through your referral link. Everyone gets their own referral link if they subscribe to Ipsy, and if you review the products, you also earn points. So I got the Refreshments, which is like the Ipsy brand of products, Refreshments. The It's a Vibe candle in Berry Bouquet. And I love that it came in that satin bag. Let's see what this looks like. Very pretty packaging. I love candles. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells amazing. Very floral, very strong. Just what I love in a candle. And then this is so cute. The packaging on the Refreshments cleansing wipes matches the little bag that the candle came in. So really cute packaging from this line, but I'm excited to try these ones out. Ooh, and then this here is from Benefit, the Brow Micro Filling Pen. Brow pen for microfine hair-like strokes in the shade Blonde. This, I feel like, is part of my Ipsy Glambag X. I don't know that I redeemed points for this. I love trying out Benefit brow products. And this one's cool because it's almost like a little, looks like a fork, like it's like a pronged pen. So I am excited to try this out. I love trying out brow products. Ooh, look at this beautiful packaging. This is from Aether Beauty Manifest Palette. I love Aether Beauty and I love their palettes. So I can't remember if this was points or in my box either. Okay, yes, I just checked my Ipsy app and the Benefit Microfilling Brow Pen is part of my Ipsy X. I did not get that with points. And the Aether Beauty eyeshadow palette here, let's look at it. Oh, that is so beautiful. The pinks and purples, my favorite colors. I can't wait to play around with this. Yeah, this is also part of my Ipsy Glambag X, so not from points. Another Refreshments product, this I did redeem points for, and this is a nice big squeezy tube, Velvet Body Cream in Citrus Spritz. I think I got this in BOXYCHARM Premium in unscented, so at least this is a scented version. And I do love a body cream. I go through them so quickly because I apply one every day after a shower. So I'm excited to try this out. I hadn't tried any of the Refreshments line, and now I'm gonna get to try a bunch because I also got with my points the Kissalicious Lip Balm in Sweet Mint. I love mint flavoring and lip balms. Ooh, this is also squeezy tube. So I'm excited to put this on my dry lips. And this I did get with points. And I'm still pulling out products that were just in that loose box. This is the last one I have left in there. And this is from Luna Magic. It's the Universal Lip Liners in Bonita and Mamacita, which look like really pretty colors. And I love lip liners, so I am excited to try these out. And okay, let's see what's in the box here. Oh, we do have the product information. So this Glam Bag X is in collaboration with Bailey Sarian. I'm probably pronouncing her name wrong. But this is cute. It has product information on all of the different products that you could have gotten in your box. Oh, the first product I see on top is really beautifully packaged, a great Valentine's Day product because it's from Pat McGrath Labs. Look at the little heart-shaped, it's the Mini Matrance lipstick and Lust Gloss. This is adorable. And Pat McGrath Labs is such an exciting brand to get. It's a very high-end brand that I had not really tried at all. So I am very excited about this, and I love trying out lip products, and this is so cute. Next, I've got, oh, from the brand Drunk Elephant, which is a very good popular skincare brand. This is Proteiny Power Peptide Resurf Serum, 10% lactic acid. So this is supposed to improve the appearance of skin's texture, tone, radiance, and bounce. It says the appearance of fine lines, sun damage, and enlarged pores is improved and glow is restored. Wow, this sounds like it's gonna do everything I would want a serum to do. So I'm excited to try this out. Like, usually a serum is not as exciting to me to get, but this sounds awesome. I've been wanting to try out more Drunk Elephant, so I'm excited to work this into my skincare routine. Nice packaging here. Next is a product from Laura Mercier. This is Translucent Loose Setting Powder Light Catcher. I feel like I have definitely tried out the Laura Mercier powder, but have I tried out this one? Yeah, I haven't tried out the Light Catcher, if that's different than the classic Laura Mercier setting powder. And the Laura Mercier setting powder is such like a cult favorite, top rated product, so I'm excited to try out this one. I have it in the shade Celestial Light. I hope it'll be like a little bit maybe glowy or brightening, so that's kind of exciting. And then next, from the brand Audacité California, Lait Blue Balm Chamomile and Shea Butter Repair Balm. Regenerating face, lip, and eye contour. Overnight hydrating soothing mask. Comforting after sun care. Intense moisture for neck and dry areas. Okay. Oh, a smaller jar than you would expect from this packaging. I bet this is an expensive product. Let's give it a sniff here. Oh my gosh, that is like a solid blue. Yeah, I mean, it smells like a nice skincare product. Well, I'm excited to try this out too because I'm sure it's a really nice product, but what use am I going to use for this? If you found any favorite uses for the Audacité Lait Blue Balm, definitely let me know in the comments down below. This is a little bit more skincare heavy than I typically like, but I do find that the Ipsy Glambag X does tend to be a little bit more skincare heavy, but usually with some really exciting, expensive, like kind of cult favorite type of skincare products. So those are, in my opinion, the most exciting skincare products to get, so I'm not too mad about it. And then I've got one product left in here from the brand JV In. Is this Jonathan from Queer Eye? This might be his brand. Nurture Deep Moisture Mask. Yeah, a hair mask you apply once a week instead of conditioner. I use a hair mask every week, so I am very excited to try this out. Ooh, this is a nice big size, nice packaging. Ooh, I love a hair mask. Okay, this is an exciting, good product for me to end on. Wow, I have so many awesome new products in front of me right now between both Ipsy and BOXYCHARM. I can't wait to try these out. And so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.